I flew 15 hours to a secret location in Texas for a historic reason. To become the first ever YouTuber to fly himself in an aircraft.
Man, that was freaking insane, man.
With absolutely zero flying experience.
Oh, this is kind of small.
According to Lift, almost anybody can fly the Hexa with less than an hour of training, regardless of experience. My flight training took around 40 minutes, and most of that was just getting briefed.
But all the controls are right here on that one hand.
That's it?
That's it. Man, that's it.
In terms of actual flying practice, I jumped inside the virtual reality flight simulator, and in less than 10 minutes, I felt fully confident in flying the real deal.
Tom Cruise. All right. Looks like a great day to fly by drone. What do you guys think? Behind me is the Hexa by Lift, and I'm about to fly it. For real, I can't even believe it that they're letting me fly this thing. If you look closely, everything is carbon fiber, and that's because they wanted to make it as lightweight as possible. This entire drone-like Hexa weighs less than a motorcycle. It weighs less than a Ducati. Imagine a Ducati next to this. This is lighter. It's super lightweight. I mean, look at this, ready? Okay, I mean, look, I'm not a bodybuilder, I'm not a power lifter, but it is pretty light. I shouldn't be able to even lift that, right? I have a couple of things. First of all, this piece right here is 3D printed titanium, and that goes right there. By 3D printing this with titanium, what they've done is they've saved 200 grams per piece, which seems like not that much, but there's 18 propellers. So you get about 3.6 kilos in total of saved weight. This is absurdly lightweight. These are the propellers. This is also carbon fiber, but it, I don't know, it's pretty cool. It feels like a weapon, you know? You can like cut up some cucumbers. You know, it feels like someone wants to come into my house. I don't have a gun, but I got a propeller. And this, right here, this doesn't save weight, it saves lives. This is a ballistic parachute, and this is installed in the center of the top of the Hexa. In order for this to like deploy, you have to be at about 12 meters or more. If you do it anything under 12 meters, you're not gonna make it. Down here, what are these? These aren't wheels. You have 6 buoyant legs because this can land on water. It'll completely float. The way you hop on is you put your foot here, and then you just pull yourself up like this. Very easy. And I got my single seater. What you have is an iPad Pro. And you see, this is the airfield where we're gonna take off from. It already has that geo-fencing, so that basically means that there's areas I can't go past. If I want to go too high, it'll block me. If I want to go too far, it'll also stop me, which basically is what lets newbies and beginners like me fly this. This is how you control the entire thing, right? There's nothing on this side, it's one hand, and this is a 3-axis kind of joystick. This is your takeoff button, very easy. This is your landing button, very easy. That's a helipad button. We are not using that today. This is your up and down, so if you want to climb, you pull it up, and if you want to descend, you pull it down. Behind, that's your rotation on the y-axis, so if you pull it right, the entire thing is gonna rotate like this on an axis, and if you pull it left, same on the other side. If you want to fly right, you pull it like that. You want to fly left, the other way. You want to go forward, forward. You want to go backwards, backwards. All right, this is it. We got the space, we're on location, and only 20 people have ever flown it before. I'm gonna be one of the first people to ever fly this drone. This is probably the easiest to learn flying craft in the world right now. Here they are, 18 lightweight batteries. We're gonna clip them on. That's all you need, super fast. All 18 will take about 5 minutes to clip on. Very easy, very simple.
You just put this up here, lock it in, and push it forward, and it's locked on.
That took like less than 5 seconds.
Yep. And then that tells you.
So was that Morse code?
Yeah, actually it is Morse code, and it tells you that it's ready to go.
And then this goes in there.
In the slot.
Yep.
And then push her back. Now, yes, and shove it forward. There you go. You got to get that final seat.
Oh.
There you go. That's it. It's on.
That's it.
That's it.
Pretty easy.
Yeah.
I can fly this on my own almost.
Oh, you almost. Yeah, it's really not that bad. So we can go, keep going. Yeah, so this is where we're seeing all the details that you can't see on the iPad there.
Okay.
About every single battery, every radio,
Yeah.
every sensor on board the aircraft.
So the flying itself is heavily assisted. That's why it's so simple to just let me, an unexperienced pilot, go on and fly it. There's a lot going on behind the scenes. So basically this will protect me in case the unlikely event where something bad happens. All right, time to fly. Oh yeah, got an important mission. Tom Cruise. All right, I'm here with Matt.
Yeah.
This is the founder, the creator of all this, and nobody's ever flown this, right?
You're the first.
Okay, all right. Anyways, all right.
Testing for 5 years.
All right, sounds good, awesome. All right, so.
Yeah, let me help you.
Yep.
Just gonna get you buckled. There. Shoulder harnesses.
And you guys can hear me, right? Over there? Awesome.
I'll do a comms check.
Ah, I hear you loud and clear. And if anything goes wrong, I do the little,
That's
oh
it.
yeah.
Put your arms out and use comms. You are buckled in.
All right.
You are tightened
Wow,
down.
this is
Okay.
surreal.
Yes.
All right,
Ready?
let's go. Woo! Apologies for screaming in your ear, man. Cool. Takeoff is right here. Okay,
Confirm clear above.
let's go.
Wow! Oh my God, man. Wow! Oh my God. Holy crap, man, we're up high now. Oh yeah, turning around. Whoop whoop. This is freaking nuts, man. Holy crap.
That was freaking nuts, man. I can't even believe that that's real. Like you're just flying up, and it's like you're completely in control. This is crazy, man. That was the first flight. Now I'm gonna get to do a second one, a little bit more intense. So that was up and down. Now I'm gonna go forward and backwards.
Okay.
So let's do it. All right, you gotta step back. All right. Ready? All right. Taking off.
Oh my God, man. Woo! This is freaking nuts, man. Look, I'm turning. I'm actually starting to get the hang of it. Look at this, all right. Full circle. Going up, going up. All right, let's land this thing. All right, I'm gonna land this thing. Going down. All good? All right, touchdown in 3, 2, 1.
On the ground. Wow. Man, that was freaking insane, man.
Standing by.
I cannot believe what just happened. That was unreal. I can't wait for this to actually like come out in public. I just flew a drone, man. I've never flown anything else in my entire life. 1 hour ago, I had 0 training. I just flew this thing. This is already coming out in public by the end of 2023. Different cities around the world. This is nuts, man. This is the future.
Yeah,
this is the future.
Bud. How was
That was awesome, man. That was
Dude,
freaking awesome.
So glad to have you out here and doing
Yeah,
that, man.
dude, that was
awesome.
amazing.
It's a thrill, isn't it?
Yeah, that was amazing.
Just having the air moving
Oh,
around
man.
you.
Yeah,
Dude, you can think about it.
Yeah,
and you
yeah.
can think you're ready, and then you do it, and it's just different.
You're
nothing like you
you're
thought it was
just
gonna
like,
be.
yeah, it's amazing.
You can step here. You can kind of just do the jump out if you want to hero it. Yeah.
Wow, that was freaking insane. All right, anyways, huge thanks to Lift for making this possible. One of the most memorable experiences of my entire life. I'm gonna remember this forever. That was crazy. I cannot wait for this to be public. What do you guys think? You guys excited? There's a waiting list of 15,000 people. You can be one of them. Anyways, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys next time.